MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL.
Final game of the elimination round dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live here inside Banana Court in Las Piñas. Baron Mercado covering the action. And it is a matchup between Davao and Bataan. Bataan CMP Basketball taking on Davao RSGT Boulders. Itong mga taga-Bataan lost to Fabs Pampanga earlier. Meanwhile, Davao, they won their game yesterday as that basket didn't go in for Andre Lomanag. Agustin looking to break the defense. Liamzon jumper. That is off the mark. To start things off, we score on that Bataan basket. Getting that is Roche Guevara. Davao made a last comeback attempt yesterday. One of the players that led them on that one ay itong si Lomanag, but that follow-up is much better. 2-all is our score here. Looking to make something in this offensive. Agustin with a spin. Guevara couldn't hit that basket. And now looking to push the pace once again. Gandang pinakita ng koponan ng Davao kahapon. Had a slow start but eventually getting the victory. And they look to be one of the few undefeated teams here in the Battle of Champions. Goes on a drive, one-hander. That won't fall. Another putback. Third attempt is good. Charles Tien gets that putback once again. Second putback of the game, second basket for him. Another steal. Here's Tien. Charles couldn't control that dribble. Liamzon looking to create some space. Scooting in. Nakalusot pa. Better defense just standing there. Itong si Elana. Growing on that attack. Balansag. Finding Lomanag. 6:47 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. 6-2 ang ating score as they look to make that basket. One of the players we need to watch out for, itong si Kelvin Malinaw, scored well on that opening quarter, went behind his back. Just didn't score on that attempt. 6-2 is the total. 6:15 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. Guys from Davao looking to extend this lead. Liamzon decides not to go under the screen. A missed attempt on the rainbow shot. Here's Liamzon on the attack and the scoop. 6-4 ang ating talaan for today. Bataan down by 2. Kanina nanalo yung under 18 ng Bataan ALT basketball as that 3 drops in. Andre Lomanag always having that good form. Malinaw wants to use this pick. Final 5 minutes 19. Makes that fake. Looks at that pass. Sends it out. Talks about that 3. Goes on the drive. Nine to 4 is our score here. With 4 minutes 55 remaining. Looking to continue their offense ay itong Davao. Up by 5 points after that Lumanag 3. Using this pick once again. Goes for the rescue. 7 seconds. Yi. Balik dito kay Lumanag. Didiskarte with 3 on the go. Lumanag drives and scores. 11-4. Stepping through for the 3. Got it. Both threes being made by our team. 11-7. 4 minutes 15 to go. Want to go for this attack once again. Balansag almost losing that possession. Masyadong malakas yung pasa kay Elana. Low lead is down to 4. Final 4 minutes into this contest. Davao up by 4 points. We have a stoppage of play. Nagtatali lang. Making sure yung Sintas is well on that way. 11-7 is the score. Bataan looking to enter double digits if they hit a 3. Tignan natin ang kanilang diskarte. Makalinaw attacks and drives for that deuce. 11-9 ang ating score dito. Goes for that double team. They swing it. Fakes, shoots, won't score. A chance to run, chance to tie. Itong sila Malinaw. Again, had a good first half on that previous game against Pabs. Bumitaw nung dulo. Nice rejection as that block will be on the side of Davao. Balik ang bola sa Bataan. Eleven to 9. Sends it. Goes on the right, one-hander, tie ball game at 11. Two minutes 45 remaining as they look to break the ice once again. Si Derek naghabol pa ng bola. Derek Shadi ball. Hindi lang pang live stream, pang habol din ng bola. Oh, kami rin dito. Ako din pala. Quits na tayo. 11 all, we're having fun. Final game of the elimination round. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Estomo who delivered that dagger yesterday. Referees blew their whistle. Balik ang bola dito sa Davao. .203 remaining here in the opening quarter. One-hander. Didn't go in for that shot. Goes for the push. Makalinaw. Thought about that three. Goes for the swing. 11 seconds. A big three. Rebound by Estomo. Again, getting that biggest shot of the game yesterday. Stepping on the line. In and out. Fights for the rebound. And now going to push the pace here. Stepping through for that three. Back-to-back misses. Both teams struggling to break the tie at 11 with a minute 05 remaining dito sa ating first quarter and makes it on that way in. Bataan breaking the tie as we are 50 seconds remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. They bounce it up. Short stab. Jumper is good. Knocking it down, Aljon Bueno. Tabla tayo at 13. Malakapay now plays defense. Tsaka itong si Jesse Poyos who scored well yesterday. One of the players that led them to that victory ay itong si Poyos. And defense that time by Estomo gives them this opportunity to break the ice once again. 13 all, 24 seconds remaining. Malikapay, I should say, on the front, shoots for three. That is off to the right. Rebound, basket won't fall. As we will be at the line looking to shoot this one, Daryl Acera. Acera missed on the first one. 13 all po ang ating score and gets that one to fall. Daryl Acero makes that free throw. Final 5 to go. Referees call a foul. Nothing in the penalty. Just too tight on those defense. Davao breaks the tie. 1 second jumper makalinaw. End of the first quarter. 14-13, a close contest. We're having here Davao having a 1-point lead.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin.
14-13, low scoring ball game dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of the Champions. 3, that is off, bitin para kay Inigo. And they are in the man-to-man defense, looking to make some individual stops. Talking about Davao, meanwhile itong Bataan looking to make something on this one. Guevara shoots it off to the left. Solid rebound on the side of Davao as that spin. Foul will be called as Jesse Puyos looking to increase the pace, increase the speed of this ball game. Inigo, Puyos, balik kay Inigo, looks for that extra pass, jumper from the elbow, that is in. Aljon Bueno now has 4 points in this game. Early moments dito sa ating second quarter, give and go, couldn't get it, creating some space. Big boy getting some big moves. Rosario able to score one inside. 16-15. Another jumper, Bueno. Follow-up didn't work. Offensive rebound on that turn. And will be shooting his free throws, Hassan Inigo. Timeout will be called. Early moments ng ating second quarter. Lamang pa rin ang kampo ng Davao.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng...
Inigo knocks down the free throw. (17-15), make it still 17-15 as we look to make something of this contest we're having. Bataan and Davao, both squads on different sides, kahit sa mapa, kahit sa ating winning column. Bataan looking for their first win. Meanwhile, Davao looking to advance and win their second. 24-second shot clock violation. Solid stop for RSGT Boulders. Bataan CMP camp looking to tighten up their stop here. 15-17. Puyos on the left attacks, gets that roll in. What a layup finish by Puyos on that one. 19-15 ang ating total, the score here. As we get that steal, Makalapay, Puyos hands it off. Inigo with that basket as Puyos makes another play. What a run by Davao.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah, kabayad pag
6:43 remaining in this first half of action. Agustin and company susubukang bawasan ang kalamangang ito. 8-second call naman. Taking too much time dribbling from the baseline to the half-court line. Still, gotta give special credit on the defense of Davao. Referees are just confirming something here in the committee area. Just talking things through here. Stoppage of play with 6:14 to go. Gusto ko lang batiin ulit lahat ng nanonood sa atin sa ating Facebook page. Magandang araw po. Enjoy watching the final game of our Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. This is the final day of elimination round. So going out for Davao, one of them wearing improper uniform. Yeah, yung sa gilid, iba yung kulay compared to the rest of the squad. Nice play. Didn't get it. Now on the push, going to make this run. Makalinaw using this pick. Jumper is in. After all the commotion, mapupunta rin kay Kervin Makalinaw yung bola and scoring on the end. 3 on the way, it's in. Knocks it down for 3. Lead is up to 7. Liamzon looking to spin away against Lumanag's defense. Ang ganda ng pinakita ni Lumanag at Tien. Makalinaw once again. This time, a 3 ball by Makalinaw. On the push, Liamzon on the chase all the way. What a run by Bataan in this second quarter. Just getting those steals and 3-pointers to go. Estomo finds a friend inside. Swings it on the right. Traveling is the call. Makalinaw was been on fire on the side here of Bataan. Davao on the other side looking to stop them. Couldn't make it. 7 points for Makalinaw, and now on the push, touch passing Estomo. Carlo Estomo delivers the goods. 26 to 22 and a steal on the other side. Gives it in the post, sends it out. A 3 by Lumanag. That is off the mark. Liamson once again looking to push this one. 3 minutes 35 remaining. 4-point lead. Liamson couldn't find the right angle. Esomo lost the handle and Guevara completes that end one. (26 to 24). Guevara looking to complete this 3-point play. Knocks down the bonus. 26 to 25. Bataan CMP basketball down by a point here with 3:14 remaining dito sa ating first half of action. Back where we started. Ganda ng laro ng Davao. Bataan able to make a run late here because of Macalinao's consecutive baskets. A big three. Estomo couldn't convert on that try. Guys in red looks to shoot. Guevara cannot complete that three. Estomo once again. He pushes it in the corner. Jumper. Ooh! Follow up on that slam. Carl Stien. He gets that follow up dunk to go. Where did that come from? Gets that rebound. Again, I'm speechless right now. Liamson rolls the ball in. Still wrapping my head around that. Grabe naman yun. Charles Tien just waking everybody up here with that follow-up slam. Fakes on that three. Looks for a friend inside. Tumama sa ilalim ng board. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Needing to hurry. Traveling is the call of our referees. As we have a stoppage of play, I believe we will have a technical foul on Tien for hanging in the rim on that putback dunk. Again, it kills the momentum, and at this stage of the game, 28 to 27, lamang ng isa yung Davao. I don't know who favors this one. Again, a slow game that has gotten these teams going back and forth. A minute 44 to go. Or maybe it's something else, because still a lot of discussions happening here in the committee stable. We'll be right back to clear the air.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugo.
Okay, we return to the action. No sanctions were called. And we continue to play on again. Those stoppages just cutting the momentum of these two teams. But tulad nga ng sabi ko, hindi ko alam kung kanino papabor yung stoppage na yon. Will it be on Davao's side to regroup? That's a good basket for Charles Tien once again. (30-27). Final minute remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Almost a swipe. Makalinaw has been on fire in the second. Gets the ball back. Traveling is the key here. The call of our referees. (30-27). 3-point lead. Cuts. Ball is on the ground. And now looking to push. 30-27. Makalina all the way. Final 30 to go. Quick response. It falls in. Jenner Saldua enters his first 2 points of our contest. As we are nearing the end. 15 seconds to go into this quarter. Makalina rejected that time. Charles Tien scoring on the dunk, making that layup. Is Somo with that finish, and Davao just like that gives them a 5-point lead. 34-29. Davao enjoying this 5-point lead at the end of the second quarter.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah.
Third quarter action. Davao, Bataan in a good game. Final game of the elimination round sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Baron Mercado covering the action. And it was a wild second quarter. Davao enjoying a big of a lead. Then humabol yung Bataan. Then on the last stop, biglang Davao naman ang kukompleto ng run as Makalinaw still is feeling it. 34-31. Yi has hit a 3-pointer on their last game. Let's see if they can add more points. Waits for the flyby. Jumper. Too strong para kay Andre Lumanag. And now on the run. Looking to make a point once again. Guys from Bataan. Makalinaw. Sure ball. Pagdating dyan inside the free throw area. 34-33. Yi couldn't get that basket but will be fouled. Ping Shan Lee. Let's see if Yi can add more points. Ping Shan Lee makes the first free throw. Gets the second. And with 8 minutes 21, again, separation here. Hindi masyadong malayo, only 3 points. So no lead is safe in this kind of game dahil pagkaparehong teams having their own offensive weapon. Kervin Makalinaw, 4-3. That is too strong. Way downtown. Hits the front iron. And now going on the pace, Lomanang attacks. Couldn't complete but will be fouled. .40 remaining. Andre Lomanag got that free throw to go. 5 ulit ang kalamangan. On that drive, Agustin was turned away. Nice block. Lomanag's side step move. And the finish. 7-point lead. Lomanag now is becoming a factor here. 40-33. Isa pa para sa Davao. Lomanag looking for that quick play. Nabasa sa likod. Running for this one. Katapang will be fouled. 6:51 remaining here. A 7-point lead. Katapang will be at the line. Missing on the first one. Makes on the second though. 34-40. 6 minutes 35. A 3 by Yi. That is off the mark. One more time. No foul is called. 40-34. Now a stop goes for this one. Balik ang bola dito sa kampo ng Davao. .40-34. Going for that push. Poyos once again looking to bring some big baskets sa kampo ng Davao. 12 seconds. Trap. Sends it on the right. Goes for the cross. Malakapay. Nice block. Making that stop. With 5:38 remaining. 40-34. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah, gabay at pag-asa.
(40-34). 6-point lead. Jumper. Bueno couldn't get it. 5 minutes 28 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Needing to hurry before that 8-second call. Going to push. De La Cruz had a wonderful third quarter on that game against Fabs. Steps in for that three. Ball was tapped on the hands of Balansag. Here he is on the drive. Follow-up was there. Hassan Inigo. Always on the trail job. Makalinaw. Cannot find the basket si Agustin. Ball is on the ground still. Poyos secures that possession. On the hurry, passes it to Inigo once again. Hassan Inigo. 10-point lead. The largest of the game so far for Davao. Makalinaw being hounded by Jeffrey Malakapay. Liamzon hurried that pass. It is rescued. Balansag gets that possession. Goes for that double cross. Will hold on for this one. Balansag once again behind his back. Spins, shoots. Cannot score. Big Rosario gets that rebound. 34-44. Agustin got tapped from behind. On the run. Bueno. Poyos. Sayang. Couldn't evade that defense. Steps in for a three. Merong hold na itatawag dito kay Bueno. Three minutes remaining here. Timeout. Lamangan Davao ng 10.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa ikaw.
case, so a technical foul was called before we started this possession. A lot of shouting, a lot of complaining on the side here. Jumper. Lianzon couldn't score that one. Forward pass, saktong-sakto. Poyos for two. Those outlet passes are 50-50. When it lands perfectly. Just like that play. On the run once again, referees will call a traveling violation. Two minutes, 10 remaining. Patapos na ang ating third quarter action. 46-35, 11-point lead. As too close for comfort. Jeffrey Malakapay. Last 2 minutes in this ball game. 46-35 pa rin ang ating score. Rosario providing that pick. Liamson couldn't make that basket. Second serving. Guevara couldn't finish. And just picking that ball apart. Still won't fall. Fights for the possession. Lands on the hands of Puyos. Here he is. Hesitating. Sends it out. A 3-ball. Couldn't hit Puyos. Di pa rin makakuha ng puntos. And too aggressive on that last one was Saldua. Penalty situation on the side here. So more free throws coming in para dito kay Makalinaw. Makes both 46-37. Final 50 seconds remaining in this third quarter where Davao just made that necessary separation. Just like that one, Poyos has been amazing. Jesse getting that break in. 48-37. Rosario looks to bang Maris down low. Guevara shoots a three. In and out. Ball is stopped. It is now recovered. Players from Davao looking to push here. Final 15 remaining. Goes for that attack. Block recovered. 7 to go. Lays it up. Di papasok. To beat the buzzer. Needing to hurry up. Oh! Shot will count, at least on my end. Glass is open just in time. 50-37. Fourth quarter coming up.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan.
50-39. to start our fourth quarter. Bataan getting that point across. 11-point lead ang kanilang hahabulin. One dribble, three. Bitin para dito ay Carlo Estomo. Outlet pass anticipated. Alley-oops it. Eye in the sky. Estomo. Mas gusto ng alley-oop. Mas gusto ng may highlight on that last play. Agustin will send it to Macalinaw. Finding his spot, fading away. Wouldn't get it. Fakes that 3 inches closer. Hindi pa rin makabutas. Making that run. Nice pass. That is a good play. Just handing it off. Letting the defense commit. 54-39. Looking to make the defense dance here. Pass is intercepted. Davao now starting to run away. Estomo. Di makakakuha ng puntos para sa Bataan. Liamson can't convert. Estomo with the rebound. They have numbers. One bump, and that is just tapped out by Macalinaw. Lead now has ballooned, has grown to 15 points. 7:50 remaining, 54-39.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan.
7:40 to go. Davao with a 15-point lead. First basket napunta sa Bataan, pero rest of the way, it's just Davao making stops, making smart plays. Liamson for 3. Too strong. Lumanang pushes it. Nakuha ni Agustin. One dribble. There you go. One way to get your rhythm, make those bounce passes count. 54-41. As we continue the action, Lumanag and company needing to hold on for this one. 3 by Estomo. Di pa rin makakuha ng mabigat-bigat na 3-pointer si Estomo. Guevara on the other side will give it to Liamzon. Still looking for that outside shot. Ay itong Bataan. Agustin with 14 to work with. Goes and breaks the defense. Estomo. Look at that wave, Yee. Sayang. Couldn't save it right in time. And back to back. Tremendous play, I should say, for them. Was stopped mid-sentence. Thinking of how will I describe that play, but it's just really good execution on their side. So far, Bataan has been letting Davao shoot those outside shots. Nice play. Nabasa nga lang. A chance here for Bataan. Cut the lead. Can they score? Another one. 3 straight plays wherein they made those extra passes. All of them resulting to a point. Baba sa siyam ang hinahabol dito ng Bataan. Spins again. That 3-man weave is complete. Abdullah Elana scores on the last play. Liamson looking to keep away the defense. Agustin Sends it on the other side. Katapang. 10 seconds to go. Nakawala. Jumper is good. Final 4 minutes 50 remaining. 9-point lead. Davao looking to make it 2-0. Bataan looking to make a big win dito sa ating Battle of Champions. Stepping on the line. Nahuli itong si Pingshan Yi, I should say, on that last one. (56-47). Makalinaw missing that ring. Sends it out. Katapang. Bitin yung 3-pointer. Turns around. De La Cruz. Hindi pa rin makahanap. I believe is scoreless in this contest as he takes that ball and stole it. Final 4 minutes 5 remaining. Waits on that flyby. Di pa pasok kay Guevara. 3 minutes 39. Eksakto. Final 4 minutes into this contest. Can Bataan make one last push? (56-47). Nakarating pa rin. Just missing the opportunity. And now on the attack, Katapang once again creates nice steal. Balansag just keeping on play there. Pushing Estomo. And driving in, scoring for the free throw area. Daryl Acero. He knocks it down on the first. In and out on the second. 57-47 ang ating score. 3 minutes, 8 seconds remaining. Fajardo really hasn't scored in this game. Unlike yung kaninang laro, he had a 3-pointer in his name. Buen is waiting on the wings. Nakawala si Poyos again. He has just a knack of finding spaces. Jesse Poyos gives Davao a 12-point lead, 59-47.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, wag kang
Makalinaw sends it in the corner. Still no 3-pointers on the side of Bataan. Tatawagan ng foul si Buen as Guevara will be pushed aside there. So Fajardo, siya naman ang magpapahinga dito. I believe he will be replaced. Yeah. Papalitan muna itong si Fajardo. Liamson gives it to Makalinaw. Fakes on that 3. Sends it to Liamson once again. 8 seconds to go. nearing the last 2 minutes. Liamson gives it in the corner. Short shot jumper is in. Finally, De La Cruz making something in this contest. Last 2 minutes time. 59-49. Poyos waiting for that cross and the right time to attack. Again, Jesse Poyos. I believe he didn't start para dito sa Davao but always closing the game. What a game by Jesse Poyos. Liamson couldn't hit that jumper. Buen gets that rebound. (61-49). A minute 15 remaining. Let's see what will happen in the couple of moments. Puyos looking to deliver one final blow. Sends it out for 3. Rebound. Inigo with a finish. And with 50 seconds to go, I believe that is it. After that stop, Puyos says goodbye. Impressive showing once again for Davao RSGT Boulders. They will move 2-0 into our tournament. Meanwhile, Bataan played 2 games today, failing both against Fabs and then now against Davao RSGT Boulders. End of the elimination round. It has been amazing to cover our 4-day elimination. Bukas at sa Sabado, semis na tayo bukas, na confirm sa akin ni Derek Shadi. Semis na bukas, Sabado finals. Yan. Tignan natin ang mga makakalusot. Battle of Champions. Again, everyone here deserves a spot on the semifinals. Yun nga lang, of course, dito natin malalaman best of the best because every team that played here either finished second or won the championship. So we had a really fun elimination game, elimination coverage as that basket goes to roll. 70-51. Davao's defense as tight as ever. And they will win it. 70-51. Davao RSGT Boulders wins this game. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood. For the men and women behind Junior MPBL, Comkit Picazo, sa lahat ng officials, kay Derek Shadi Bohol, at sa lahat, maraming salamat po. Baron Mercado saying thank you and see you tomorrow on the semifinals.
Liga ng